Good morning. I just woke up. It's Friday. I'm gonna have a solo day with myself. Also, my bangs look kind of horrendous right now, but it's okay. We'll fix them later. I'm planning to go watch a movie by myself. The new Keke Palmer says the movie looks really funny, so I might go watch that. There's a horror movie that came out, so I'm not sure if I want to do that one. But I kind of want to watch a silly, goofy movie, so definitely gonna do the Keke Palmer one. Then go buy a mat because I'm gonna go do hot yoga for the first time this upcoming week. Gonna go make some coffee now. So let's go. We're back in my room and this is how she is looking. This is the reality of how my room looks most days. Let's get to some cleaning. Also guys, I'm currently obsessed with this show Lost. I saw it on Netflix and it just hooked me from episode 1. I'm on episode 10 now. It's really good. I'm gonna watch Lost and clean the room. These flowers were sent to me from ColourPop. Thomas, yeah, this whole. So cute. I love. Here's to you. Yeah, oh, I love ColourPop. That's so sweet. Oh, I have to use scissors. So. I love the packaging on the flowers. Thank you, ColourPop. I'm gonna throw these away, but something about dead flowers is so beautiful. I wish I could keep them forever, but they're just gonna deteriorate over time. Can't keep them. I should start a scrapbook where I place them in there and see how long. I think they last. I've seen videos where people save their dead flowers. Yeah, I might save a little stem, little flower. Let's switch them over. This cardigan as a top. I'm gonna wear these. What are these? these actually, these Levi's. I have a one. For shoes, I'm gonna wear these American Eagle ones. I feel like they don't match the belt, but it's fine. Or I could wear my Vans. No, I think I'm gonna go with these instead. Shoes are on. For scents, I'm gonna go with this Sol de Janeiro spray. It's their 48 spray. This stuff smells literally heavenly. Usual rings from Urban that I always wear. Last but not least, my Breaks on Sunnies. Here's my outfit for the day. Oh, for bag, we're gonna go with my bagoo. I feel like it goes really well with all the colors. Really well. You see, it all matches somehow. I got this one. They had this really cute green one, but I think black is just so ideal for me. And I got some hot Cheeto fries for the movies later. Now I'm debating if I want to go get nectar or just go home. I just ate breakfast not too long ago, but I do want like a sweet treat for myself. Smoothie's not gonna kill me, right? We're gonna go get a smoothie. I convinced myself, let's go get a smoothie. I'm a whole ass liar. I ended up getting kava instead. Cause I was like, girl, kava's so close, might as well just get it. Like, who cares? I haven't had it in such a long time either, so. This is so delicious, I can't. This blueberry lavender lemonade, it's so bomb. It's a little sour. Ooh, I'm gonna eat this in my car, watch some TikToks, and then go home. I just got home and I got another package. They're nails. They look so fucking sick. Show you guys. I just literally painted my nails yesterday. A little bummed. I would have tried these out. These will be the ones I'll be rocking soon. I'm just gonna chill, watch Lost. I have a movie at 5:30. We shall see each other once we're at the movie theater. I'm gonna apply my lip combo real quick. Oh my gosh, they're too loud. My lips feel so freaking dry. You guys can see like the dryness. All right, I need to start heading out because I'm kind of late. So let's head out.
Tell me it was anything other than the fact that you talked to Keyshawn.
Oh, it wasn't like that. I swear to God, it wasn't like that. I swear to God.
Do you do it on purpose?
It's the air that she got with it. You know what I mean? Slaps.
Hey, maniac.
I'm good.